strong.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we look at, is a GoPro Hero 5 Black still worth it in 2021? The Hero Black came out in September 2016, so it is 5 years old. There obviously is a couple of new models out, but let's have a look and see. So the Hero 5 Black is the first GoPro that's waterproof without a case, which is awesome, but it's also not great because it's the first. A lot of stuff could be improved and was improved later on. I did a quick video where I compared it to a Hero 7, which came out 2 years later in 2018. I felt the Hero 6 was to compare it. So I felt the Hero 7 was a better one to compare with. The Hero 5, the picture is still amazing, still very good. Even if you do some post-editing, very good. The sound is not great, but that comes back to it's the first GoPro Hero that's waterproof without a casing. They have improved the sound quite a bit with the 7, 8 and 9. The 5 is not great. If you're looking at the 5 for pure video only, it's a great GoPro and they're cheap enough now to make it a no-brainer. If you need great video and great sound, I don't think the 5 is the one for you. I'd rather look at the 7, 8 or 9, obviously depending what the budget is. Here's a couple of videos that I compared the 5 to the 7, just to show what the difference is as well. The user interface is also completely different. Also in the video I show you a little bit of the user interface. User interface on the 7 has gotten much better. It's almost completely different, works easier, everything is just easier. The 5's not bad, but also remembering it is 5 years old. Overall, it's a great little camera. I haven't had any problems with it. Records when it shoots, everything works as it should, no problems. If we look at the stabilization, it's not bad, but it's not great by any means. Obviously we have to remember the Hero 5 is 5 years old. Hero 7, 8 and 9 is amazing, so much better. You'll also see in the video 5 compared to the 7, the difference in stabilization, and it is quite big. And guys, thank you for watching. Watch till the end, all the comparisons, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. This is a mic test. This is the Hero 7 Black. Testing 1, 2, 3. GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the Hero 5, testing 1, 2, 3, GoPro Hero 5 Black. This is 2.7K, 60 frames, wide. GoPro 7 has got hyper stabilization, or hyper smooth. Hero 5 has got just normal stabilization. See with the run how it moves. .7K, 50 frames, Pro Tune color. .7K, 60 frames, wide angle, flat color. Now let's add a LUT.